Good morning, friends and students. Today, again, we are here in the second part of the part of speech of English grammar. In our previous video, I discussed about the four part of speech, and those were adverb, adjective, noun, and pronoun. Now, in this video, we will talk about our next part of the speech, and those are conjunction, preposition, interjection, and one word. Now let's start our rest part of the speech. The number first. This is the conjunction. The first part of the speech, the rest, number 5 part of the speech is conjunction. Conjunction are those words who are joining words, phrases, phrase, clause, and sentences. So we can understand which word are conjunction. Conjunction are those words who are joined words, phrase, clause, and sentences. Through the example, we can understand more easily. Look at here. I am giving you the example here. For example, I am writing here. I will meet him at the house or office. At the office. Look at it. First of all, before understand the example, we have to understand what is the phrase, clause, and sentences. Phrase means group of the words. Group of the words called the phrase. Clause means the clause have single one subject and single one verb. Sentence also have the single one subject and single one verb. So both of are similar. आपके दिमाग में क्वेश्चन आ रहा होगा, what is the difference between the clause and sentences? So I am telling you, all sentences are clause, but all clause cannot be sentences. Again I am repeating, all sentence can be clause, but all clauses cannot be sentences, because सारे ही clause complete sense नहीं देते हैं, इसीलिए सारे clause sentence नहीं हो सकते, but सारे sentence clauses हो सकते हैं. Look at here how the conjunction can join the two phrases. Through the example, look at here. I will meet him at the house or at the office. What is this? At the house. This is the phrase. What is this? This is the phrase. This is the phrase. It has no subject and no verb. That is why we are saying this is the phrase. And also we have here another phrase. Phrase first and phrase second. Both of phrase are connected by the or conjunction. Look at here the second example. Second example, I am telling you I said that he said that he would come. Look at here in this sentence says he said. उसने कहा. He said. Here is the single one subject and single one verb. That means this is a clause. What is this? This is a clause. And again here one another clause is here. Single one subject and single one verb. That means also this is a clause. Okay? And both of clauses are connected by that conjunction. That means those words who are connected, the words, phrases, clauses, sentences, those are conjunctions. Now the next part of speech, that is the prepositions. Look at here. What is the preposition? Preposition are those words who are placed before the noun or pronoun. Placed before the noun or pronoun. Look at here. Preposition. Okay. Preposition are words who are placed before the noun and pronoun. So here is the question, how can we identify these are the prepositions? Through the example we can easily understand it. Look at here, I am writing an example. Mohan died for the country. Mohan died for the country. Look at here. Here is country is our noun, and I already explained you we can place preposition before the noun and pronoun. Here is the country is a noun, and before the noun I placed here a preposition for. That means preposition for is our preposition. Look at here the another example. Another example. I am going to school. School is also a noun, and before the noun here is the another preposition. Okay, so we can easily understand those words who are classed before the noun and the pronoun, that are prepositions. Next part of the speech, that is the verb. How can we identify the verb in the sentences? In English language or in English grammar, verb is our most important, because there is no sentence in English grammar without the verb. And verb describe the action and state in the sentence of subject. Okay? Look at here, verb describe action and state of the subject in a sentence. How the verb describe the action? Through the example, look at here, I am writing here, Sita is cooking food. Look at here the example. Here Sita is our subject, is our helping verb, and cooking is our main verb. Okay, and food is our object. The main verb. Okay, Sita is doing something physical action through the cooking. So cooking word is showing that Sita is doing something physical action. So cooking denotes the action word. Sita is doing action. So cooking is an action type of verb. Number second, state. State means the situation. As the example we can say, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. In this word, which is the verb here, am is our doing, the verb is the main verb. Here, no physical action is doing here, no physical action is here, but only the state or situation is showing. That means am is showing that I am a teacher. Okay, so verb is are those words who are describing action or state of the subject in the sentences. The last part of this speech is interjection. Last part of this speech is the interjection. Look at here, interjection. Through the interjection are those words, through it we can express our sudden feeling. Okay, which type of feeling? Sudden feeling. Okay, sudden feeling means, look at here, sometimes we are saying that hooray, we have won the match. That means hooray, interjection showing the happiness, joy. Okay, and sometimes we are saying that alas. Okay, it's showing sadness, sorrow. Okay, so these are some words. Hi. Okay, these are some interjection words. So I hope you understand this video, which are how many parts of the speech. There are 8 parts of the speech, and I tried my best to understand the part of speech to you, and I well explain you. So like this video, share this video, and subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you, friends.